Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the best KSD-120LC thermal fuse replacement for GE microwaves. A part that might look small but plays a huge role in the safety and functionality of your microwave oven. The KSD-120LC is a thermal fuse designed specifically for GE microwaves that require the WB27X1127 thermal cutoff. It's a normally closed thermostat rated at 120 degrees Celsius, meaning it's closed during regular operation and opens once the temperature exceeds 120 degrees Celsius, cutting off power to prevent overheating. This seemingly minor function is actually a critical safety measure that prevents potential fire hazards or permanent damage to your appliance. Let's begin by understanding why this particular model is considered a top choice. First off, installation. It's designed to be a direct replacement for the original KSD-120LC fuse. That means if your microwave came with this model from the factory, swapping it out is hassle-free. Just make sure you confirm the part number on your existing fuse, WB27X1127, before ordering. That verification step will ensure compatibility and save you from unnecessary return processes. In terms of functionality, the KSD-120LC excels. Its job is to detect abnormal rises in internal temperature and act instantly to disconnect power. Think of it like a circuit breaker, but for heat instead of electricity overload. When your microwave is running fine, this fuse stays closed and allows current to flow normally. But when overheating occurs, it flips, cutting off power, safeguarding your device, and potentially preventing serious damage or accidents. One of the best things about this fuse is the peace of mind it brings. Microwaves generate intense heat and pressure within a very short span of time. If a magnetron fails or ventilation is blocked, temperatures can rise rapidly. That's where this fuse steps in. It silently monitors the temperature, ready to react when needed. Let's talk about the build and durability. This thermal fuse comes housed in a robust metal body that's built to endure repeated heat cycles. It's engineered for longevity, and you can tell that from its precise construction. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheaply made. The terminal connectors are firm and secure, ensuring a stable connection once installed. Now for those who like doing things themselves, DIYers, this part is especially user-friendly. Replacing it just requires a screwdriver and maybe some gloves. And gloves are actually recommended here, not only for safety from sharp microwave parts but also to prevent contamination on the contacts which could impact performance. Another standout feature is its wide applicability. While this is a replacement specifically for GE microwaves, the KSD-120LC format is used across various models and brands under different part numbers. So it's often used in aftermarket repairs when the specs align. Now let's say your microwave just died out of nowhere. No lights, no heat, no response. If your outlet's fine, chances are a blown thermal fuse is the culprit. For most standard GE models, the 120 degrees Celsius is what you'll need. Be sure to check your microwave service manual if you're unsure. And if you're wondering whether it's worth fixing a microwave with a fuse rather than replacing the whole unit, the answer is absolutely. Replacing this fuse is significantly cheaper, quicker, and more eco-friendly than buying a new appliance. It's one of those small parts that gives big results. Whether you're troubleshooting a dead microwave or simply preparing for future maintenance, keeping one of these handy is a smart move. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more deep dives into the best repair parts and home improvement components. See you in the next video.